Welcome back. I'm Udar Pratap Singh. You're joining us on NewsX. Breaking news coming in this hour. The Supreme Court has directed an inquiry into the political background of those arrested in the West Bengal SIR case. The Supreme Court has stated the investigation must not be conducted in a mechanical manner and that the investigation must be brought to a logical conclusion. The Apex Court has further noted that there is the need to assess the threat perception of judicial officers and that security cover must continue until the conclusion of the elections. Joining us on this big story is Sambhav Sharma. Sambhav, take us through the observations of the Supreme Court.
Well, the hearing before the two-judge bench of the Supreme Court in the court number 1 of the circuit happened in two cases today. Before lunch, the Supreme Court has said that it was not going to interfere with these tribunals, appellate tribunals, and the working of the appellate tribunals. And in the second place, post-lunch, the Supreme Court has sought a report on the political background of the persons arrested in the Malda violence. And also the Supreme Court to the bench today has said that don't conduct probe in a mechanical or a technical manner, but take it to a logical conclusion. And also, assess the threat perception to the judicial officers. And that continue to provide adequate security to the judicial officers who are, in a way, conducting the especially intensive revision exercise in the state of West Bengal, to provide adequate security to the judicial officers till the end of the election. So this is what the Supreme Court has said. And also, hearing underwent for around 45 minutes in the Supreme Court after lunch and around 45 minutes before lunch. And Supreme Court has arguments of almost all the counsels. Here, the Supreme Court has noted, rather appreciated the efforts of the High Court Chief Justice, as in the Calcutta High Court Chief Justice, and judicial officers. The Supreme Court has also noted that this SIR task in the state of West Bengal, that logical discrepancies because in a new way, the Supreme Court has noted that this task was extremely difficult.
Okay. Sambhav, thank you for joining us. I think we have some technical trouble with your connection.